Hello mga kabuhay! Welcome to my channel. Wow! Ito po ang inyong educator, traveler at food tripper. Ako po si DJ Lee. Naharap sa isang masayang kwentuhan at makabuluhang pagbabahagi ng ating karanasan. Oh no! Pero bago po tayo manood, don't forget to follow and subscribe on my channel, which the link below. Kaya naman mga kabuhay, isang buhay na panonood sa inyong lahat. I love you all. Thank you. No bash, please. Spread peace and love.
Okay, let's go.
Hello mga kabuhay. Welcome back. Alam nyo, medyo nabisi tayo ng mga nakaraang araw, but then sinisigurado ko sa inyo na meron tayong video na i-upload para i-share ang good vibes sa ating mga kabuhay. At syempre, sa upload na video na to ay i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga kaganapan ng aking post-celebration of my birthday last January 31 to February 1, 2026 sa Lalisa Villa na matatagpuan sa Baliti, Arayat, Pampanga. Halina at panoorin ang aking post-birthday celebration. Mwah!
Good evening, Doroli. Hi, this is Tita Cora. I just wanna come from Medicine Hat, Canada. I just wanna greet you a very, very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy and have more birthdays to come. Love you from all of us. You take care. God bless.
Happy birthday, Rolly. We have been together since you were young and now you've come so far in life. I know my mother will be so proud and happy about everything you have achieved because this was always her dream for you and your siblings. Always remember where you came from and never be arrogant in times of hardship and heavy problems. Always turn to the Lord. He is our true ally. We love you and your siblings very much because you are dearly cared for by my mother. Happy birthday again. You will achieve so much more in life and I hope your next destination will be California, USA. I love you and bye-bye.
Balita ako birthday daw ni Sex Bomb Rolly. We, di nga. Happy birthday, my friend. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobra pong proud at happy sa lahat ng mga desire ng puso mo na finally na-achieve mo na. Career, check. Quality time with your family. Diba? Spoiled ka na sa kanila. Love life. Haba ng buhok mo doon. Kidding aside. Basta masaya ako para sa'yo. But please, stay healthy. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Hindi na tayo bumabata, no? And always remember na nandito lang ako. Namimiss na nga kita eh. So, ingat ka lagi and I love you so much. Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, Sir Rolly. More blessings to come. Today is all about you, and I just want to remind you how special you are. Thank you for being such an amazing person. Your kindness, your love, and the way you make people feel comfortable really matter more than you. Yun lang po, Sir Rolly, and happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey, Chris Rolly. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend, kuya, teacher, and lahat na since day one, napakabuti ng tao. And at the same time, sana mas maraming pang mapasayang tao tulad namin. Yun lang, sir, and more birthdays to come, and God bless you.
Okay, go! Ayun guys, no, mga kabuhay, thank you very much for making my birthday celebration a blast at syempre memorable and meaningful one. Thank you to my family, to all the people who greeted me during my birthday without mentioning them. Napakarami po nila. Maraming salamat po. To my graduate school, to my Limpa family, Hello Rich family, to my learners, to my Donesus Gonzalez family, to my GV family, to my Night Movers family, to all my nephews and nieces, to all my cousins, relatives, and friends in Facebook, to all the people who loves me. Maraming salamat po. My heart is full of gratitude and happiness. For without you all guys, my birthday is not that very memorable, but then you made it more meaningful with your greetings and remembering. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Till next time, mabuhay po kayong lahat. My wishes are being healthy and happy for the coming years to come. Thank you very much and have a great day to all of you. God bless you all. I love you. I love you to my son John Yusef, my partner Alex, and the rest of the people who loves me so much. You are my blessings from God above. I love you. Thank you. Kabuhay. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.